warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dinda Sabila. I'm from PBIB. Grammar introduction in communicative language teaching classroom, student teachers perception. Introduction. Grammar is the language framework and system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and person speaking in similar language will communicate because they naturally understand the grammar structure, which is the rules of meaning. In the importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to enhance learning, comprehensive, visual, and praise. Using CLT to teach grammar in the second language classroom is an effort to improve students' attitude towards language learning and to have positive effect on their learning process. The use of CLT in teaching grammar in the second language classrooms is a means of changing the attitude of the students towards language learning and positively influencing their way of learning. The changing of teaching culture from teacher centered to student-centered class by the CLT approach also brought a change. The concept is how to teach. Moreover, Thornbury. The adoption of CLT in Indonesian language teaching curriculum has gone through several changes and development. Adopt CLT approach into its implementation. Literal review. The concept of communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is one of approach to language teaching. Its approach was born from the awareness that language as a system for communication, not just a set of the rules. It switched the emphasis of traditional language teaching to grammar and teacher-centered classes to the active use of authentic language in learning and acquisition. Role of student, teacher, and grammar introduction in CLT. Communicative language teaching emphasizes on self-direction for student. Teacher no longer rely on activities that involve repetition, accuracy, and memorization of sentences. They require students to communicate in context and communicate meaningfully in foreign language. As Oxford 1990 proposes that this is important for active development of a new language. Communicative activities play an important role in teaching communicative language. In summary, inductively or deductively, grammar can be taught in communicative language teaching. Some students learn it with rules of grammar, while others need rules to understand the grammatical structure, methodology, research design, participant, and local of the study. This study used intrinsic case study method as the way to collect the data. We use intrinsic case study because this study design was focused on the case itself. The case present as unusual or unique situation. Data collection and analysis. In this research, in order to find out the teachers and students' perception in grammar and instruction in communicative language teaching, we use interview in order to gain information about teacher and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Findings: the data gained from interview were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The perception of the findings were explained as follows. Teacher perception. After analyzing the data from interview, we found that there was some teachers' perception towards grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interviews, we got some teachers' perception about grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed that the grammar was crucial component in improving students' skill in CLT classroom. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most of teachers agreed that error correction was on of process to correct students in mastering materials. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained from interviews showed that in teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching, teachers act as motivator in the teaching learning process. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. The data obtained from the interview also revealed that teaching grammar instruction in CLC classroom should be balanced. In teaching English between tasks and activities must be balanced. Also, in teaching English language, students should not only mastering on the theory but also practicing the theory. Classroom activities. Based on data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on data obtained from interview, we found that most of students agreed that by correction and error has been considered helpful in saving successful communicative competence. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained from interview found some students' perception toward the role of teachers in teaching grammar instruction and communicative language teaching classroom. Students urged that the role of teacher in the classroom. The data and contribution of students in the learning process. The data gathered from the interviews also revealed that the role and contribution of students in the learning process. Discussion. After analyzing the data by using thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teacher and students' perception toward grammar instruction communicative language teaching classroom. This consisted of A. The importance of grammar. B. Classroom activities. C. Quality and quantity of error correction. D. The role of teachers in classroom. E. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. Conclusion. Based on the data analyzed by using thematic analysis, it was found teacher and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. The first, teacher perception in teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. First, the teachers think that provide students with explicit explanation was an effective way to teach grammar instruction in CLT classroom. Second, in learning process, teachers using group and pair works was designed to promote communication in CLT classroom. 3. Teachers claim that in learning process, error correction was one of processing students to maturing materials. 4. Teachers perceive that should act as motivator in the teaching learning process and training students to take responsibility in develop their activities. 5. In teaching grammar instruction in CLT classroom, students should by not only mastering the theory but also practicing the theory. Last, we hope that the present study can be useful for the next future researchers who are interested to exhibit more information about teachers and students' perception in grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.